that helps.
It's those cat eyes, those big cat eyes.
You gonna kill him, Mama? Kill him, baby. Kill him. Mama. I'm not gonna do it. You will.
She's gonna bark at him within one.
Kill him, Mama. See, if she had teeth, she could pull it out easy.
That is so funny.
You talk about cute as a bug's ear.
Yeah.
See, once you get started on it, that's not too bad, man. See, the cats know they'll get what's left. That's what they're hanging around
When
for.
she gets done, huh?
Yeah.
She's just sitting there telling them I'm still here.
It's almost like a hiccup, you know?
She loves to get outside. That's the reason. If that bowl was inside right now, she wouldn't touch it.
Okay.
She absolutely wouldn't touch it.
Do you think it feels more natural to her, like outside? Like,
Yeah, I guess it does. Because she kind of grew up in the wild. You know, people throwing her
Yeah.
scraps. Damn, Mama.
Dang.
Slow down, girl.
Well, we have video.
Damn, I thought I had...
got a healthy appetite.
No wonder the cat's sitting
Tell you
there
what,
waiting to go
Thank you for this water. It's really good.
Get her on in there.
I'll get my own.
But you see,
Oh, so good.
when she was a baby, she had two front teeth on the bottom, both sides.
Okay.
Vet said sometimes they do it when they're born.
Okay.
And I asked the church guys over there if anybody knew who she was. If that was their baby. Some people have been throwing, she's been hanging around for a couple of weeks.
Wow.
They've been throwing her, little scraps of food. Just, eat on Sundays. So, man, when she's seeing me, man, I see her. She's like, where'd you wear my arms?
That's great.
She just said, I don't want any more dogs. And it didn't take too long before she was attached to the hip.
Yeah, no.
Really love their house.
Oh my God. They're going to the grave together. You get
When she
full
dies,
already.
you gonna put her in the building?
Yeah, me too.
Yummy, huh?
She's about done. She get up, get a drink, and you down the pounce on her bowl.
Or she was like the other cat coming.
It's kind of like when Frodo gets up there and across the tree.
I shouldn't let him have it.
There's a cat over there behind you.
I just thought he went over here.
I saw it.
She's still trying to eat it so they don't get any luck.
She knows she's going to have to get a drink here pretty soon. You kill him, Mama. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him, Mama. This is as close as that cat's ever gotten.
Wow.
She's not wondering why it's not eating. All it makes her eat, right? I'm going to sit her hand feed her.
Maybe just wants the cat to know that she's there.
She knows that's her food because I gave it to her.
But she can't eat it all. She don't want to get up much.
She's not going to eat it all. She's done.
The cat wants to look.
Well, you fed him out here, did you?
Yeah. I don't know if it's not any else, but
Well, that's their problem. This one here can't hunt because he's got a bad leg.
the cat wants mine.
It's always out here underneath this table. Come here, Mama. Cat got your tongue?
I don't think she's gonna bark anymore, are we?
Nah, I think she's done. You're going to have to get up and get her a drink pretty soon.
Look at what she gives her.
Isn't that a cute little thing? What's the matter? They won't leave, Mama? They won't leave? Let me pick it up. Get out here.
She's watching the cat still. She looked at you, gave you a funny look when you gave that to the cat.
Normally when I give the cat some bone over a number stuff, sure, we'll get it from. back.
You see that person? That's what he does, yeah.
He'd be back. We're dropping him. Cat's going to get Hollywood. Right here. Watch it. He's quicker than shit, man.
So no.
Just got to reach in there.
You gotta get it all, but he's gonna finish.
Hollywood, you're on candid camera.
Me say meow meow. If you like what you saw, please give the subscribe button a pop and check out another video here.